Today, we will learn Chinese characters.
窗
Watch my pronunciation.
窗 ch u ang 窗 窗 窗户 窗户 这是一扇窗户。这是一扇窗户。门窗门窗房间里有门窗房间里有门窗窗外窗外窗外有一棵大树窗外有一棵大树。
Now let's see how to write this character. This character refers to an opening in a wall for light, air, and seeing the outside world. In ancient times, there was no glass, so ancient Chinese people dug holes in walls and fitted wooden frames or paper, which allowed light and air in and let people see outside. Since light can shine into dark rooms, Chinese people often use this character to symbolize brightness, hope, and the future. This character has many strokes and is not easy to write. You can write slowly and do not rush. When writing this character, the lower part looks as if it is covered by the upper part, so the upper part should be wider. That's all for this lesson. See you next class.